Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2014 220D M Sport 2-door coupe. The vehicle is presented in the mineral grey and has some very nice BMW options, and of course also includes a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. The alloy wheels for the vehicle are the original BMW 18-inch M Sport alloys. However, we've had those fully refurbished in the high gloss black. At the front of the car, you'll see the Angel Out and Xenon headlamps, which are of course always a very sought after option on any of the BMW range vehicles. Down the side, you'll see the gloss black sidebars and satin side vinyls. And again, you should be able to see that this is a very clean and tidy vehicle. We've got one of my personal favourites in terms of the cloth interior, as it is the half Alcantara, half cloth M highlight seats. And as you can see, all of that has been kept in a really nice condition. There you can see the blue stitching and 3 tricolour stripes as well. We've got the 7-speed automatic within this vehicle. And of course, we do get a Isofix rear seat arrangement as well with a central storage tray. And again, all of that has been kept in really nice condition also. Before heading round to the very rear of the car, we shall of course show you off once again the fantastic 18-inch wheels, and again trying to show you how clean and tidy this vehicle is. Despite the small and sporty stature of the 2 Series, they are a very spacious and very comfortable vehicle, making them an ideal all-round car, and that can be highlighted by showing you the boot space. So there you can see that is a large area and does also incorporate split folding seats also, and there is storage compartments to both the left and right hand sides. Round onto the driver's side now, where once again we can show you off that this is a lovely clean and tidy vehicle. Once again, all of that being presented very nicely. Very sharp looking vehicles are the 2 Series, especially when they are paired with the mineral grey. Taking a seat inside the vehicle now, we'll show you off a couple of this vehicle's interior features, and also starting the very nice 2-litre diesel engine up. We've got the BMW business media on this vehicle, so we've got Bluetooth telephone, and we'll run you through the other features as well. Going back to the main menu, and we'll go over everything else shortly. In terms of overall mileage, it's covered just over 62,000 miles. On your multifunction M Sport steering wheel on this car, we've got the speed limiter, voice and volume controls, as you can see there. And if we head down into vehicle information and the vehicle status screen, you'll be able to see for yourself that everything is highlighted in green, and there is 2 services recorded from BMW. Heading over to the audio section now, and again if we click that once more, we'll be able to see that we've got DAB radio as well as an external devices screen. If we go into the multimedia, there is CD as well as a AUX and a USB input, as you can see there. So an all-round very practical and a very fun vehicle to drive. So thank you. If you would like some more information on this vehicle, all you have to do is follow the links I will leave for you in the description. Once again, thank you all very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk arounds. I do hope you've enjoyed it, and simply follow those links for more information, including all of the prices, funding options, and of course direct contact information for ourselves. Thanks guys, take care, bye bye.